Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you what you can do with a faulty power supply from LED strips. Let's take apart the power supply and remove the board. First, desolder the transformer. We remove the transformer as well as any diode that is on the board. Here are the main parts for the do-it-yourself project. Next, desolder the other components from the board so they don't interfere. This is what you should end up with. Take the transformer and notice one side has 3 pins. The middle pin isn't used and has no wire. On the other side, all pins are used except one short pin that wasn't connected to the board. Solder a wire to it. Reinstall the transformer on the board. Insert the diode too. And one more component that needs to be added for our do-it-yourself project is the KT105 transistor. Place it on the board and then solder everything according to the schematic shown on the screen. Here's how mine turned out. Now let's reassemble everything. Well, the do-it-yourself project is finished. Now watch how everything works. We connect the lamp socket to the alternating current contact point. We connect the 18650 battery to the positive and negative contacts. Now we screw in the bulb and see that it lights up. As you can see, this is a voltage converter from 3.7 volts to 220. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.